Hello, gardening aficionados. Today we're delving into the fascinating world of Isotoma fluviatilis, commonly known as white star creeper. Our journey begins with the intriguing history of white star creeper, hailing from the picturesque landscapes of New Zealand. Over time, it has emerged as a beloved garden favorite due to its exceptional beauty and adaptability. The white star creeper, characterized by its delicate star-shaped blossoms and lush green foliage, possesses an undeniable charm. Its compact growth and profusion of flowers make it an excellent choice for adding elegance to various outdoor spaces. Caring for white star creeper is a rewarding experience. Flourishing in well-drained soil with consistent watering, this plant prefers partial shade, making it an ideal fit for areas with filtered sunlight. Creating these conditions guarantees a thriving and vibrant carpet of flora. Integrating white star creeper into your garden layout elevates its visual appeal. Its low spreading growth pattern and delicate blooms create beautiful contrasts when paired with taller plants. It's perfect for enhancing pathways, defining borders, or crafting captivating plant combinations. Beyond its aesthetic allure, white star creeper serves practical purposes. Its dense growth pattern aids in preventing weed growth and soil erosion, making it a valuable ground cover choice. Additionally, its starry blossoms attract pollinators, promoting a healthy ecosystem. So there you have it, a captivating exploration of Isotoma fluviatilis, the white star creeper. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights into the world of plants and living wonders. Happy gardening and farming endeavors to all.